Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Afrikaans PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Hello, I'm Stelly, and today I'm going to talk to you about South Africa in February. Is it a good month to visit the country? Let's find out. But remember, if you like the video, and I hope you will, show that you like it, you can subscribe to our channel, which I hope you will, and visit our website, afrikaanspod101.com, for your free lifetime account. So, let's see. February, as you see, very similar to February, just the ending, the spelling is a bit different. And what is good about February in South Africa? That's what we first going to discuss. Is it a good time to visit the country in February? Ja, dit is goed, want daar is goedkoper vlugte, cheaper flights. And dit is warm. It's hot in South Africa in February, if you like hot. Daar is baie vrugte. There's a lot of fruit that's ripe in February. And there's a very vibey music festival, 'n baie lekker musiekfees. Kom ons kyk na die eerste rede. Dit is nie skoolvakansie nie. So, die vlugte is goedkoper. It's not school holidays, so it's out of season, so the flights are cheaper. En daar is baie vrugte ryp in February. Wat is jou gunsteling vrug? What is your favorite fruit? Think about it, especially the fruits that are ripe in February, and then afterwards you can answer the question. So keep repeating after me and learn the fruit names. Waterlemoen. Waterlemoen. Remember the W is not W, like a V in English. Waterlemoen. Daar is ook pisang. Right? Pisang actually is a word that comes from Malaysia, because a lot of Malaysian slaves came to South Africa centuries ago. So pisang, pisang. Pineapple. Now normally pain is pain, you know, like ouch, pain. But of course it comes from the pine apple. But there's a good joke, well, I hope you think it's a good joke. A joke about a pineapple. Kom ons kyk, dit doesn't work in English, only works in Afrikaans. Wat noem jy 'n appel met 'n hoofpyn? What do you call an apple with a headache? A pineapple. There's also Cape gooseberries. As you can see, a Cape gooseberry, it's called Cape because you see of that covering around the berry. That's the Cape. But in Afrikaans, we call it an appeliefie. And ek en my kleinseun, my grandson and I were looking for some. We have some in our garden. Henry, kyk, ek het een gekry.
Ach, dit is okay.
I found a nice ripe one for him. He loves them. Vye. Again, the V sounds like an F. That sound. Doesn't sound like a V for video, right? So it's vye. Figs. This year we had a bumper crop of figs. Baie vye. Ons het so lekker geëet. Pruime. Plums. They're also ripe. Hulle is ook ripe in February. Mangoes. Oh, tropical fruit. 'n tropiese vrug. Te wonderlik. And in South Africa, we make achar from mangoes. It's like a relish. It's quite spicy, very, very popular. So if you're in South Africa, remember to try mango achars. Now, I want to talk to you about this apostrophe. When do you use an apostrophe in Afrikaans? Because in English, we use it for possession, like Stelly's video, or you use it for contraction, from do not to don't. But in Afrikaans, we use it for contraction, but not for possession, ever, ever. Possession, we say Stelly se video, but if you see an apostrophe for a word like mangoes, it's the plural. Dis die meervoud. So die meervoud van mango is mangoes, and there are only certain, it's not all the plurals that get apostrophes, only certain ones. Which ones? Let's have a quick lesson. Now, an apostrophe is called an afkappingsteken, a chopping off sign. Don't you think that's a fantastic word for an apostrophe? It makes sense. Afkap, chop off. You chop off the word from the rest of it. Here's the rule. Think of I owe you. You know, I owe you money, right? So words that end on I, O, and U, and an accented A get an apostrophe if you make the word a plural. So taxi, daar's die I, baie taksies of meer twee taksies, taksies met 'n afkappingsteken. Foto ends with an O, fotos, afkappingsteken. Skadi, shadow, there it is, afkappingsteken. Meer as een skadi, is skadies met 'n afkappingsteken. Ma, that is an accented A, also gets an apostrophe, 'n afkappingsteken. Meer as een ma. But notice, be careful, Oma, the accent is on the O, not on the A. So it doesn't get an apostrophe. Oma's het nie 'n afkappingsteken nie. Are you ready to say what your favorite fruit is? My gunsteling vrug is dit waterlemoen? Is dit vye? Is dit pisang? Is dit mangoes? Is dit appelliefies? Wat is jou gunsteling vrug? So here's another event in South Africa, which I'm sure you're familiar with, because all over the Western world and probably the whole world is Valentine's Day. So what happens on Valentine's Day? Also in South Africa, it's exactly the same. Mense gee sjokolade, rose en ander geskenke vir hulle geliefdes. Sjokolade, you notice SJ instead of a CH. Sh, the sound is spelled SJ. Rose, daar's die roos en ander geskenke vir hulle geliefdes. And they even do it at schools. Hulle doen dit ook by die skool. Dit is die 14de Februarie, is dit Valentijnsdag. Wat van die weer in Suid-Afrika? Soos jy kan sien, dit is nogal warm. It is quite hot in February in South Africa. If you want to go to the Kruger National Park, as jy na die Kruger Wildtuin wil gaan, daar is dit baie warm. But remember, there is aircon, daar is lugversorging. So you can cope if you've got a hut with aircon in the Kruger Park. So if you like heat, February is a very good month to come visit. Now we come to the music festival. It's called Up the Creek. This is a very different music festival from any music festival you've ever attended. Do you see all the inflatables? We call them lilos in South Africa. And they're on the river. Can you see them? People are lying on them. That is where they spend their days. Well, not the whole day, of course, but a big part of the day. And they listen to music, and it's a very vibey event every year, February in South Africa. I'll show you where in South Africa. So you can look it up. It's not far from the town Swellendam. And it's 4 days long. 4 dae, 4 days. 4 verhoë, 1 verhoog, 4 verhoë, 4 stages. En 'n lekker gees, a nice vibe. So this is definitely a word you need to know if you come to South Africa, because lekker can cover just about anything. Nice, delicious, a nice person, a nice dish, a nice vibe, anything can be lekker. 'n lekker gees. Are you interested in wine at all? We have our wine harvest commemorative event in February. Watch this. It's one thing. Remember, in Afrikaans, usually if it's one thing, it's one word. So have a look. Wyn, oes, herdenking. Wyn, obviously wine. Oes is harvest. Herdenking. Her is rethinking. So commemorative. Thinking about it again. Why in February? Because this is the anniversary of winemaking. This year, it's 365 years since the first wine harvest was taken in South Africa. 1659. 1659 was the eerste wynoes. Suid-Afrika produseer jaarliks 885 miljoen liters wyn. Dis baie wyn. So what happens at this commemorative event? Awards are given for different winemakers and different people who had an influence on the wine industry. Some of them wine farmers. Another wine event, but this is not just South Africa, it's in other countries too. Maak daardie bottle oop, aand. Open that bottle night. So you know that bottle of wine that you've been saving for a special occasion? The last Saturday in February is the night you're supposed to open that wine. So this is a very special night you can do in South Africa too. And you can buy your wine here with plenty of beautiful wines, or you can bring your wine that you haven't opened, that you've saved. There are only two things that I think might be slightly negative about February in South Africa, but it might not be negative for you. The one is, daar is baie stuifmeel. Stuifmeel is pollen. En daar's grassade, grass seeds, blowing in the wind. So, party mense kry allergie, hulle nies. There's a lot of pollen and grass seeds, so some people get allergies. If you're not prone to allergies, not a problem for you. And dit is warm. Remember again, the is vroom. The W, if it's at the beginning of a word, you say, it's hot. But otherwise, it's a great month to visit South Africa. It is a wonderlike maand om Suid-Afrika te besoek. So, het jy gehou van die video? Did you like the video? Please show that you liked it and subscribe to our channel and go to our website, afrikaanspod101.com, to get your free lifetime account. Totsiens!
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.